So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you a day in my life in Skoda Kushaq. So continue watching. So guys, now I will be installing screen protector in my phone. Not installing it really, just I will change it because it's cracked. So I will show you the whole process. Going to fill petrol in my car. So guys, now I am going home and I will show you my screen guard and cover of my iPhone, and I have bought cover and screen guard for iPad too that I will install and show you. Installing this cover on my iPad and this screen protector. So first of all I have to wipe my iPad so it's clean enough to install the screen protector. So guys, now it's clean enough to install the screen protector. This is the back side. It's written over here. Now I have peeled it. Now it's time to install. Now I will install this cover. So guys, the cover and screen protector has been installed. This is how it looks. This is the cover. This is the screen protector. This is how it looks from the back. This also has stand feature where you can keep the iPad like this on the stand. Now I will show you how my iPhone's cover and screen protector looks like, which I got installed from the shop. So this is the cover I bought from the shop. It's light blue color, and the screen protector is special because it's privacy glass. Now I'm seeing the screen, but now I won't see the screen. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you liked my video and thanks for watching. See you in next video.